IPQS for Shopify allows you to actively prevent fraud purchases on your Shopify store by using innovative email and IP address validation to provide real time fraud score. If you're new to IPQS, integrating Shopify is simple, quick, and easy. Head over to our Shopify app page as shown on screen and click the Add App button to begin. Shopify will then ask you if you'd like to give IPQS permission to review your orders and customer data. Go ahead and click on the Install App button as shown. IPQS has a variety of different features to help you mitigate fraud. At this point, we're going to cut the video and submit some test orders on Shopify to show you an example of how IPQS integrates with Shopify. Here is an example order we submitted. Our system reviewed this order and deemed it was a high-risk order. We recommend reviewing all medium-risk and high-risk orders by hand and denying most high-risk orders. You'll notice that we have separate sections for each user's email address, IP address, and device tracking. However, if the user is unable to complete the device tracking, it won't show up. Since we've manually submitted this order, there is no device tracking available. Once an order has been submitted, it may take up to a minute for each order to process through our system and complete our fraud checks. On our site, you can review the information we've collected. This is our dashboard. Our dashboard gives you a brief overview of the number and type of fraud detection requests we've processed for you. Next, we'll take a look at our proxy detection system to review how it can help you detect fraud and overview some of your shop statistics. If you click the Advanced Reports link on the left-hand side under the Proxy VPN Detection API, you'll be taken to a screen where you can search for and review the recent IP address lookups you've made on our platform. You can customize the columns and do an export of your results. Under the Statistics section, you can view information about your customers to show your score, breakdowns by day, your fraud score averages by country, and your order numbers by country. These reports can also be viewed as charts or graphs. Next, you can review your email address validity and look over a quality breakdown under the Email Verification API left. From here, you can once again go into Advanced Reports to overview Customer Review Validity. You can also go under Statistics, Charts, or Graphs to view statistics about your fraud averages for your customers. All of our APIs support CSV exports, as well as a wide variety of charts, graphs, and statistics designed to help you catch as much fraud as possible. If you have any questions about our service or have suggestions on how we can improve, feel free to contact us by submitting a ticket under the support section of our website. Lastly, you can edit your account information under the Settings and Account Management section to control your email notifications, what variables we collect, and enable or disable IP verifications through Shopify Integration.